Are conversion mobility vans too expensive? Roller Ramp can make the van you already own accessible. Roller Ramp van ramps are a fraction of the cost compared to lowered floor conversion vans. And the Roller Ramp van ramps can fit many standard factory model vans. Roller Ramp van ramps can hold up to 1,000 pounds and are available in 3 different widths: 26-inch, 30-inch, and 36-inch wide. They conveniently fold in and out of your van and are bolted securely to the floor. You can select from 3 different models of van ramps: manual bifold, Strut Assisted Bi-fold, which will require 40% less exertion from the manual bifold, and we also have a powered bifold, which can include a wireless remote. Plus, all van ramps will also include a securement strap to hold the ramp in place. This will greatly reduce noise during driving. Reclaim your independence with a Roller Ramp van ramp. To verify compatibility with your vehicle or to make an order, please call us toll-free 1-866-883-4722 or email us sales@rollerramp.com. Our North Dakota-based team will be happy to assist you. Or to find a dealer near you, visit rollerramp.com.